Well, within number system, the place value and face value is very important topic to read the value of the number. As I have shown in this chart, there are two types of numeration systems. One is Indian place value chart and the other is international place value. So, it has been divided into some parts. The first part in the Indian place value chart is unit, then thousand, then lakhs, and then crore. Again, these are divided into some parts. There is a speciality in the Indian place value chart that the first bracket has been divided into three subsections. The rightmost digit is called ones digit. So the place value is 1. The next is 10, and after that it is 100. Then the thousand bracket starts, and within thousand there are two types. The first is thousand, the next is 10,000. Then comes the bracket of lakhs. The first one is lakh and the next is 10 lakhs. Then comes the next bracket, that is crore. So within crore there are again two brackets, crore and 10 crore. So when we take one place, so it is equal to 10 to the power 0 and the numerical value will be 1. Then 10 to the power 1, that is equal to 10. Then 100 is equal to 10 to the power 2 or 100. Then comes 1000, that means 10 to the power 3, that is equal to 1000. Then comes 10 to the power 4, and that comes to 10,000. Then comes 10 to the power 5, that is equal to 1 lakh. Then 10 to the power 6, that comes to 10 lakhs. Then comes 10 to the power 7, which is equal to 1 crore. Then comes 10 to the power 8, that comes to 10 crore. Now you will notice one important thing. When we say 10 to the power 0, when this power is 0, the number of zeros is 0. That means there is no 0 in the value. When 10 to the power 1, there is 1 0. When the power is 2, there are 2 zeros. When the power is 3, there are 3 zeros. When power is 4, there are 4 zeros. When power is 5, there are 5 zeros. When power is 6, there are 6 zeros. When power is 7, there are 7 zeros. When power is 8, there are 8 zeros. So this is Indian place value chart. So suppose we take these digits and we combine them to get this value. So when we write this value, this is notation and this is numeration. That means if we write the number in English language, then it is called numeration. So in numeration, how we will read this notation or the combination of digits, that is very important. So if there are many digits, you should start counting from the right hand side. Ones place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So this number 15 will be pronounced as 50 crore. The next level is lakhs, so we'll read it as 25 lakhs. And the next label is 1000. So this combination will be called 26,000. And the next label is 727, which will be pronounced as 727. So this was Indian numeration system. The next is international place value system, which is used in most of the countries, and it is divided in the subdivisions of 3 each. There are 3, 2, 2, 2. So when we use comma to separate these numbers, in Indian system we use first comma after 3 digits, and then after 2, and another after 2, and like that. But in international system, there is comma after each 3 digits, and it has been divided like that. The unit bracket has 1, 10, and then 100, then 1000. So 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Similarly, million, million, 10 million, 100 million. After that, billion, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. So it is read like that, and similarly we have the values of digits which has been shown in this chart. So once in the same way is taken 1, and this is 10 to the power 0, because 10 to the power 0 is equal to 1, 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10, 10 to the power 2 equal to 100, 10 to the power 3 equal to 1000, 10 to the power 4 equal to 10,000, 10 to the power 5 is equal to 100,000, 10 to the power 6 equal to 1 million, 10 to the power 7 equal to 10 million, 10 to the power 8 equal to 100 million. So in this numeration system, after each bracket, the name has been changed, and it is ones, tens, hundred. Same way it is repeated: unit, thousand, million, billion, trillion, like that. So when we use numeration for these values, suppose we had taken this value, so ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So it will be pronounced like 115 million, 115 million, then 236,000, then 785. So this is international numeration system. So it is very important topic. Generally, even the highly educated people do mistakes to write number names. So it is very important. It has been taught from 3rd standard onwards, and it is used even in the higher competitions like IAS, PCS, banks. In all competitions, they are covering some questions related to this topic. Thank you.